Okay, here comes a news flash. I'm making this video in January of 2026, and I've been working on this 2007 Gem car. 2007 Gem car had problems with the batteries. Batteries always dying, and so I replaced it with 6 12-volt batteries in the back. I put 6 12-volt batteries there, 3 there, and then 3 up front right here. And I measured between the poles, and the batteries are older, but they're technically, still good. Batteries checked out to 74 volts through the system. So I went up front and I checked the power coming in, and it was 70 volts. So I was getting a low battery or a 15 warning on my dash. Pulled the car apart, checking voltages everywhere. The batteries come in here, negative and positive on the backside. And I checked the voltage there, and it was 70 volts again. So I'm losing 4 volts somewhere. And so I went under the car, and I could barely fit, but I felt the cable right here, this cable, the battery cable coming from the back of the car, and I found that. That is a battery going up to something I have never seen before. And that is in the middle section of seats. There is a area here, and I just pulled that battery out. There are actually 3 8-volt batteries in here. There's one there, there's one on that side. I just pulled out this 8-volt battery, and it's a Gem original. So I'm pretty sure that's an 18-year-old battery that nobody knew about. And they were so dead in this crevice that no one knew about, they were killing all the fresh batteries that were put into this car. So 2007 Gem E6, check out that middle area. You might have batteries in there that nobody knows about, but I should be on my way to getting this Gem car running finally, after finding batteries that have been sitting in that car for 18 years. Original Gem car battery sitting in the middle section underneath the seat for 18 years. There it is. All right, so now you know. 2007 Gem E6, you might have batteries under the middle seat.